Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to know 15 OLQs for the SSB. So first we will go with the first OLQ. We will go step by step. So we will look after the first one. First one is effective intelligence. Effective intelligence is the one where a person could give a appropriate reason by a mentally also to overall to come out the solution. Second one is a courage. Courage be required by the physical also, mental also, because in SSB the courage is required in obstacle also or to put your views also. So all round you should have enough courage to give your ideas. Third is stamina. Here stamina comes for the physical appearance. During the obstacles you should have enough stamina to overcome or to overcome the obstacle and give your appropriate result. Number 4 is reasoning ability. See, if any problem occurs or any of the topic games, how well you nourish the topic and how well you overcome the problem will be the this is one of the sign with the reasoning ability. Fifth one is self-confidence. Here self-confidence will be one of the your features, that how well you will put your words in front of the officers and in front of the assessors. Next will come for the determination. This will show how determined to your work or how determined to your particular situation. Determination is also one of the OLQ which will add a value to your qualities. Seventh one is organizing ability. Organizing ability is one of the ability where any of the thing will come, how well you organize, how well you give the priority to the problem and come out to the solution. Next one is initiative. In a recent scenario, if any problem occurs, very rare people will take off an initiative and come to the front barriers. So initiative is one of the quality where it will describe the leadership quality to take an initiative and come out with a proper solution. Ninth one is cooperation. So how cooperative with your teammates, your buddies and your subordinates, and how well you will be adjust with the environment. 10th one is sense of responsibility. Sense of the responsibility and the actual responsibility give a difference. Here sense of a responsibility will give a responsibility of a particular thing which you should have a responsible, and it will give some meaningful. Now we go for the 11th one, that is group influencing ability. So always the leader influence the other people. If a leader standing in front of the group, if he have given any of the orders, he should influence the group and make the group to do it. If it is not done by the leader, then it doesn't make any kind of a sense, right? So one leader should possess a group influencing ability. 12th is liveliness. Liveliness is one of the best OLQ because liveliness will add the presence of the mind. Whatever you're having in the present situation, you should be in present and you should enjoy every moment of the life in the presence. 13 is social adaptability. How well you are with the social, how aware of your social, how aware about your surroundings will all add to the social adaptability. 14th, speed of decision. See, if you are standing in a war line or you are standing in a LOC, any situation, a problem will occur. You should not wait for the orders of the leader. Should also always have a speed of decision. He should have to took a he or should have to take a decision at a very instant. Otherwise, the situation may go worse. Right. Next, 15th will come patience. One leader should have a patient or like a listening capacity, we can say. A leader should always have a capability of the patience and listening capacity, so he should have that capability to listen his subordinates and come to the solution. So these are all the 15 OLQs, and I hope you get a little information of these OLQs. One should have to process this before going to the SSB. And that's all for the today's video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.